Hi everybody, this is the Elica NT Fit 70. So as you can see, there's no extractor fan at all, and it's all used with this inbuilt one here. So it's as simple as you click on the button, you decide which one you want to use, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to use this one. So what you need to do is click on this one here, hold this button and just move it up. It's going to turn off because there's nothing on it. So if there's nothing on it, it understands and it will turn it off. So it will start doing a weird thing at the moment. But this, to put the extractor fan on, you click the middle button here and you put this. I normally do number 2, it's normally enough. And you should start hearing it in a minute. And then again, you can just click on this again and it will just work. So you can see the extractor fan's on and it should just work now. And the version that I've got, I'm just going to turn it off so I can show you how to turn it off. And the version I've got is the raw RAW version, which is the fingerprintless one. So as you can see, it hasn't got a really shiny finish. It's really nice, really nice to touch, and it's so easy to clean. And now you should see that the smoke is going straight into the extractor fan. So I hope you like this video, and please give me a follow to look at some more videos that I'm going to make very soon.